What is going on, everyone? I am excited about today's video. This is my very first pair of Vans Vault and Mastermind collaboration. We are going to start with the box. It is a simple and all black box with the Mastermind logo and the Vans Vault logo. And it's not so simple on the box label part, huh? But I love how they did the black and white checkerboard prints with the Mastermind words in it. Now let's take a look at the official label. The colorway name is Mastermind Japan Black. This one fits true to size just like any other old school pair. Y'all ready to unbox, swap some laces in on-feet video? Let's go! Mastermind is a Japanese streetwear label that has been collaborating with Vans for a pretty long time now. This is definitely one of those pairs that you have to add to your collection, especially that it's in a drawer box and it came with a shoe bag, which is every collector's dream. This release came out in 5 pairs: the skate highs, the authentic, and the old school. And another skate highs but with the lightning bolt just like this pair. You can tell that they put a lot of effort to make it a nice presentation. I mean, have you ever seen a cardboard inside a box to make sure that both left and right pairs are separated? Okay, so let's put the box back together so we can take a closer look at this pair. This pair is really nice. And if you remembered earlier, the box label had VLT on it, which means premium grade upper leather. And that's the material you will see on the toe box, the eye stay, and the heel part. Here, you will see the lightning bolt on the eye stay, and it's also double stitch, which is pretty cool quality. Now let's check out the midsole, which has a lightning bolt pattern in it. The side panels are made out of suede, by the way. And if you can't tell, the lightning bolt pattern is actually not drawn, but it is an extension of the midsole, which is a pretty cool concept. Let me try to get an angle where you can actually see it. Okay, so here is the heel part, and that is actually the Mastermind logo, which is stitched on. Oh, and check out the heel tab. Love the fact that they made it all blacked out. It comes with an extra set of black wax laces, which I will show you all and lace them up later. The tongue is made out of suede. Now let's take a look at the bottom part, which I think is the best part of the shoe. Well, except for maybe the midsole lightning bolt. The bottom sole is transparent, so you can see through the black and white checkerboard pattern, which has the Mastermind letters and words in it. Super cool. Now let's take a look at the inside part of the shoe, and I'm kind of curious on what insoles they use on this. It looks like it's an Ultra Cush insole. What I'm gonna do is take it out so you have a better detailed look at it. So here it is. I'm just gonna do a little flex test. It has the Mastermind World logo on top of the insole. Now it's time for the little squeeze test. Okay, I think it's time to lace it up. You wanna see how it looks like? Here it is. What do y'all think? I'm gonna try on the other lace it came with, which is the black wax lace, in a second. But first, I am glad Mastermind used this model, which is the old school bolt. The GR pair of this are actually really nice. They are currently in the Vans site and in stores. Here are some of the colorways. In my opinion, the red one is the best one. So now it's time to try on the other lace it came with, the black wax laces. So, what do y'all think? I think it looks pretty clean. We are almost at the end of the video, so I want to thank you all for watching, and like always, if you like this video, please hit that like button. It would help my channel a lot, and also hit that subscribe button as well. Oh, and if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, go ahead and check me out, Vans Dad. Here's a few video clips that I left both black and white laces so you can see which one is better. Thank you again. Now here is the on-feet video.
Woo!